At the bottom of the first page, you have this set of problems where you're evaluating using a common base. You will have to do this type of problem with no calculator. The test is pretty much half no calculator, half calculator based. So when they ask you to evaluate using a common base, first you need to set this equal to x. And we are going to convert from log form to exponent form. Remember to do that. The base of the log becomes the base number, and then these two sort of switch places. X becomes the exponent, and then 32 goes to the right side. So we have a 2 on the left side. Our goal would be to rewrite 32 as 2 to some power. So if you think about that, what could the exponent be for 32 so that we would have a base of 2? 32 is 2 to the 5th power. So I'm going to write 32 as 2 to the 5th power. On the left side, I have 2 to the power of x. Once you get your bases to be the same exact number, then you can focus only on the exponents. So here my exponents would be just x equals 5. And that's the solution to number 5. For number 6, I'm going to do the same thing, set it equal to x. 3 to the power of x equals 27. Again, here I have a 3, so 3 is as low as that's going to go. So I'm going to try to get 27 as 3 to some power. 27 is 3 cubed. And so on the left, we had 3 to the power of x. Now that we have our bases the same, we can just say that x equals 3, and that's the solution. On number 7, I'm going to set it equal to x. Again, convert to exponent form. 7 to the x equals 1 over 343. Now, anytime you want to move a denominator up to the top, you can rewrite that as being whatever that denominator was to the power of -1. Now we need to look at this. We've got a 7. I want to rewrite 343 as 7 to some power. So 343 is 7 cubed. So I'm going to rewrite this. This is 7 to the x. This is 7 cubed. And we already had a -1 up there in the exponent. So what we really have going on is we have that x equals, and I'm going to multiply these together, -1 times 3. -3 is the value that x needs to be. For the last one in this group, I'm going to set it equal to x. Go to exponent form again. 11 to the power of x equals 1. It's kind of like a little bit of a trick question here. You got to really think, what power can we have that we will get an answer of 1? Anything to this power is actually 1. So remember that any number to the power of 0 is always 1. So x needs to be 0. We need an exponent of 0 to make that 11 to the power of 0 equal 1.